Happy Saturday, everybody. Weather report. Damp. I've come back across to the gym. So yeah, I'll see you in a bit. Well, finished at the gym. I'm getting myself showered, sorted, changed, etc. Looking at the sky. I think we're going to go and have a fly the drone. Well, I've come back down to these hidden ponds near Ashen, and the wind's picked up. Marvellous. Not what I need. And if you have a look, there's quite a few birds, seagulls. That would be more than happy to take my drone out. And as you can hear, the farmer's working away in the background. Oh man. Seems like the weather wants to work against me all the time lately. And the birds. There's the farmer. Well, that was another failure. Had to try and find something else to do. Sorry. I came somewhere else. Not as interesting, but I'm going to have a little fly around here. Farmer's Fields, there's a wind turbine over there. I'm not sure I'll be able to get that far, but we'll have a look. So yeah, see what this is like. And in the meantime, I want to time lapse them clouds. Well, I hope you enjoyed the little, what they're called again? Time lapse. I hope you enjoyed the little time lapse of the sky. I want to have it on this video, but I'm going to try and get all, well, not all of them, because it means I've got to go back in and edit my old videos to take out the clips. Excuse me. I'm trying to get together a collection of sky photographs, time lapses, videos, etc., etc., to make one big video. When I say a big video, maybe 5-10 minutes long, with some relaxing music in the background, having a look at the sky, different types of sky from all over the world, sunsets, sunrises. I've done that the opposite way. Sunsets, sunrises. I've done it again. Sunsets, sunrises. Yeah, that sort of thing. So if you actually got some, I know I've gotten a couple of pictures and a couple of videos which I appreciate of some of my YouTube friends. I haven't used them yet because I haven't got enough together yet. So yeah, if anybody's got any sky pictures or videos or clips of where you are, dramatic skies, blue skies, whatever you like, send them into terry@terrytracker.co.uk, so I can use them into one big montage of the sky. I'm saying montage a lot lately, yeah, and etc., etc. It seems to be a habit. I'm sorry if it's annoying. Oh, also, I did get the drone out. It did get a little bit windy. I took it out the furthest I've ever had it, which was close to 3,000 feet, and then I lost signal suddenly. I don't know why, but I had full signal. I thought, yeah, I'm just going to keep going until the signal starts dropping, and it went from full signal, zero signal. Yeah. So yeah, anyways, and I'm gonna have to check the video because there was a big flock of starlings. I can actually see them in the sky, but it's pointless. I'll try. They're just about here. You probably won't see them on the camera because I'm struggling to see them with my eyes. But yeah, there was a big flock of starlings decided they didn't want the drone in the air, and started surrounding it. So I'm hoping I've actually caught some on video. Fingers crossed. I hope. So I had to put it into sport mode and hightail it out of there. Luckily I had the wind on my side, so she actually got up to over 30 mile an hour, which is pretty good for a Mavic Mini. I'm sure they're only rated at 28 mile an hour, but I had a bit of a push, so I got her over 30 mile an hour, which got me away from the birds. Then I hovered it above me, and then a seagull decided to take interest in it, which I know I did get on video because I saw it on my phone on the screen. I saw the seagull coming, and yeah, I decided to land from there. So I don't know what the video is going to be like. We shall see. Yeah. Weather update. Yeah. Dramatic sunset once again. I'm loving all these dramatic sunsets, these lovely skies, as you well know. Sorry for not picking the camera up for a while. It's night time now. I haven't done anything really interesting to film, so I'll see you all tomorrow. Now it's time to do your job.